G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of Diving with Thresher Sharks in Malapascua in central Philippines in the Visayas. This is my second dive of the day, and visibility is not perfect, but this is one of the very few places in the world that you can see thresher sharks consistently every day. Traditionally, they are a deep water shark and can be very hard to spot, but every morning with the sunrise, they come up from the depths to swim at this shoal where hundreds of little fish that live in the plant life feed on the parasites that annoy the thresher sharks, and they pick them clean. We found this nice little spot where there's not too many divers because it is quite a crowded dive site. The thresher sharks aren't there constantly. They come for 2 or 3 minutes, then disappear for 3 or 4 minutes. But there's still plenty of other stuff to see. It's not always possible to get super close to them, but you have to pay attention to the shapes moving in the waters, because many times there are 2 or 3 thresher sharks in your field of vision. You just have to pay attention, know where to look, and failing that, just pay attention to your guide. These guys have been diving there for years. They know exactly how to find it. It's getting late in the morning now, and the thresher sharks have moved on. They've gone into deeper water. So you have to be there pretty close to sunrise to see them. Since the threshers have disappeared, we casually floated over the surface of the shoal that is home to all the fish that feed off the threshers. You can see in the distance all the divers were all finished for the day. Everyone's heading towards the boat. It's time to go to the next stop. Second dive site. This is the tiger shark dive site. As you can see, not so many boats because the area is much larger and everyone's more spread out. Only about a 15-metre dive, 10% chance of seeing tiger sharks. See how we go. This is our third and last dive for the day, and this shoal was originally where the thresher sharks used to visit. All the guides tell you to be careful not to damage the coral or the plant life, because the small feeder fish live in the plant life. If the plant life dies, the feeder fish die and the thresher sharks move on. For whatever reason, the plant life here died off. The thresher sharks moved on and the tiger sharks moved in. However, they are way less reliable to see. I'm not entirely upset about that because as an Australian, where I come from, tiger sharks can be pretty nasty. However, it's still a beautiful part of the world. And the first 2 dives were absolutely amazing. This is still the only place in the world that you can see these threshers. I highly recommend coming here. Just keep a good attitude because there's a lot of people, but it's worth it. Peace.